going to demonstrate how to do an interply bond known as a peel. What we're trying to do is test the strength between the two plies in this lamination. The first thing I will do is use this sample cutter to cut a 1-inch wide strip, because bonds are given in grams per lineal inch. So I'm going to cut these, and we typically will do 3 up to 5 samples. So we have our samples now in our 1-inch wide strip. We're then going to put those in our bond tester. This particular machine is a Twing Albert. There's a variety of machine manufacturers, and we're going to test those with a crosshead speed of 10 inches per minute. So I will start the first one. The top specimen gets clamped in, and then the bottom gets clamped in this way. And you try to hold the peel adherent if you can. This is a more rigid substrate, so it's a little more difficult. And then we test. And see, we're testing the bond strength between the two plies. And we typically pull that for about 1.5 inches. Now what's important is to note not just the bond strengths, which we get an average and a high bond, but what the mode of failure. In other words, where is the adhesive staying in this sample? And in this case, the adhesive is on this polyethylene film, not on the PVC. It's always important to note mode of failure. So we're going to test the rest of these. In the same manner. Again, we're looking at mode of failure here. Where is the adhesive? And you can feel it if it's tacky. In this case, again, it is staying with this polyethylene film. Do our last specimen. Again, checking for mode of failure. And then we will do our statistics and average those pulls. So we will note for these bonds that we have a 317 gram per lineal inch average load and a 415 gram per lineal inch peak load with a mode of failure, in this case of adhesive transfer. And that's how you do a peel test.